can't keep up with you on Tuna. You're super fast. Yeah, those are sticky tires. Of course, when there's a rock in the middle of the road, there's like 5 supercars coming fucking by. I was like, oh God. What a beautiful day, guys. Just came down the Snake. What's up, guys? Mr. Moto POV here. Hair's getting long. Post-ride thoughts, after action review. I have a very interesting one for you guys today. This is with the German, the Iceman, one of the fastest riders going down Tuna Canyon Road, a one-way down street, extremely steep graded, and one of those roads in Malibu that you have to be pretty tenured to have a good amount of speed going down. You see a lot of bicyclists or longboarders just bombing down those hills, but on a motorcycle you can definitely pick up a lot more speed, so you have to be extremely technical with your riding because there is a lot of off-camber turns. And Simon, the Iceman, was able to grip those insanely good. I couldn't keep up with him. He was gapping me. A very, very, very good rider, over 100 track days in the books, and I'm learning from him, I would say on a weekly basis. Every time he's out, he definitely teaches me a thing or two with some of the lines that he does take. I hope you guys enjoy. We're gonna be going down Tuna Canyon, and it's a very interesting one. So without further ado, guys, enjoy. Round 1. Got Simon leading the way. With Simon, he was way too fast on Tuna. It was really a pleasure. Such a beast of a rider. He's done over 100 track days and really a very tenured rider. Absolute beast on Tuna. I hope you guys enjoy. can't keep up with you on Tuna. You're super fast. Yeah, those are sticky tires. There's a sticky. Yeah, absolutely, absolutely.
One eternity later.
Time to chase Simon.
Round 2.
Up Latigo. It's gonna be a good day today. He's a fast rider on the XSR900. Let's get this. It's Mr. Moto POV. It's gonna be a good day. I hope you guys enjoy. Of course, when there's a rock in the middle of the road, there's like 5 supercars coming fucking by.
I got off
I was like, oh God, because I had to move my bike like this last second.
No, I was like in the zone, and then I got totally offline, and then all these cars are coming. I got, ah, fuck.
Yeah.
It was all good.
That's all good. No, I was just like, oh shit, there was a rock in the middle of the road. You had to take like a little more out of the outline.
But that was fun, man. These tires fucking good, dude.
Yeah, you're gripping really well around the corners.
I'm a fan.
Yeah, I know, it looks good. You definitely like super confident. It's just sticking.
Yeah.
Even in those tight corners, you're lean. It doesn't look like off balance or wobbly. It's just, it's sticking.
I'm still getting used to it, you know, trusting them, but like, I mean, I think there's more in them.
Yeah, I was about to say.
All right, Rockstar?
Oh yeah. What a beautiful day, guys. Just came down the Snake, chasing Simon, Jesus. But absolutely gorgeous out. Temperature's beautiful. Latigo was absolutely phenomenal. I hope you guys enjoy. We're gonna head to the rock store right now. Happy Saturday, guys. Ride safe, go fast, be safe.
Flawless